Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Sally Clover, and in this video we will play some Clash Royale. It's episode 2, and guys, I'll tell you something. I'm so happy. Now you say why? Because I got a magical chest. I spammed it so really fast. Look what I got. The Inferno Dragon, oh my god, and the new card, the Tornado. I will test it now. I make this deck. I'll make another one. I'll take the Zap on the not on not on the Tornado because I'll test it. Then I'll take some Hog Rider. Yeah, and what more? And yeah, I must take the barbarians on the P.E.K.K.A. And yeah, it's done. So I'll make a battle. Let's see, some peon he's a turkey. Good luck. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna lose. I promise I'm gonna lose. I hate like that people. Like a low level. Oh my god. What the heck is he doing? I have barbarians too, bro. What the heck? Oh my god. I'll put so he's taking out the furnace because I hate that. Hell. Minion hordes, but I hate them. Oh my god. Go back. This is the tornado. Whoa. The tornado is really awesome. Please, I hate to like that, people. Oh my god. Please, I don't want to lose. What the heck? Put like some barbarians. Alright. I will do something. I will attack from this way. Here. Wait. Let's see, alright. Now. And then the Inferno Dragon. Go. Hell, no. Alright, we're taking out this tower. Please. Can you take out this tower? Yes, we're taking out this tower. Whoa! Look at the Inferno Dragon. What the heck? The Inferno Dragon is really awesome. Whoa! Can we free crown him? Whoa. Oh, shit. Let's put whoa. Alright. Go away. Let's put the electric collector so you're not touching my tower. Let's put some barbarians and a hog rider. Yeah, we're winning. Haha. Take that, noob. You're not touching my tower, bro. Oh. You're not touching my tower. Let's laugh. Ha 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 ha. Done. You're done, bro. I'm better than you. Yeah. Alright. 3-1 cup. What the? Oh. Only one. I need to 3-star someone. I need something good. Like, I have 2,000 gold. Now I just want the poison or the golem or the giant skeleton. This is only what I want. Whoa. I didn't see that this. I didn't see it and I didn't know about this card. Yeah, let's attack again. Boom. Yeah. Oh, level 8. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And starts crying. Oh my god. Lil, go away. Oh, we have it too. Nice. You're not touching. No. Oh, he didn't. Ah, no way. Alright, let's put the Inferno Dragon. Go, go, go. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hog Rider, go. Oh, we have another one. But, boom, damage. Boom. Boom. Take out. Oh, we're taking some damage. A little bit. Let's say, good game. Put our minions. You're not touching my tower, bro. Yeah, you're not touching my tower. His tornado is level 2. And mine is level 1. Oh, we have an elixir collector. Let's put it. Oh, no, 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 no. Go away, bro. Go away. Go, go, go. Go, Inferno. Oh, hell. Bro. You have nothing to defend the minions. Dang it. Oh, no. Alright, alright. Now, the barbarians. And then, the minion horde. And he's putting that. And he'll take out everything. Yeah. I knew it. And now what I'm doing. Witch. Then, a prince. Yeah. A prince. We haven't. Go, 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 yeah. No way. No, hell. Go back, bro. You're not touching my tower. Bro, you're not touching my tower. You're not touching my tower. No. Let's put a electric collector here. So you're not touching it. No! Oh. No! Whoa. Then boom. You're not touching my tower. You're not touching my tower. Hell. No! Fuck. Oh. I knew it. You're gonna lose. Dang it. I'll make a new battle deck. And I'll put the fireball. Where is it? Here is it. Yeah, the tornado is not so bad, but it's okay. Let's start. Good luck, and let's start with the Hog Rider. Alright, Hog Rider, go. Go. Yeah, some damage. What the? How did he get so much? What the? No! What the? He's taking out my tower? What's wrong with this guy? I have a legendary. I will take you down. I promise. Or not. Hell. Okay, take out my tower and you will see what I'm doing with you. Put barbarians. And then put a minion horde. And then put an Inferno Dragon, bro. I'll take you down. Good. Your tower is down, bro. It's over. It's over. Prince, now it's over. We're 3-starring him. No way. We can't. Oh, yeah. I promise it. I knew it. I want to win. And now I have a crown chest. I hope I can get not a legendary, but let's see what we want. Let's open it. We have some money, gems. We can. I have the cannon. Fuck off. And I think I'll end this video here. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. And can you hit 5 likes? I hope you can. So I will see you guys in the next video.